sorry. Hey guys, welcome to my pirate tutorial. I can't believe, out of all of the tutorials that I've ever done, I've never done a pirate. Well, here it is. So anyway, if you want to see how to create this look, keep watching and enjoy. I'm starting off with already primed eyes and Sephora's highlighter in Stardust. I'm adding that to the inner corners of my eyes, top and bottom. With BH Cosmetics' second generation palette, I'm taking a goldish bronze color and adding that beside the highlighter, top and bottom. Next to that, I'm using the same palette and using a metallic burgundy and blending that into the gold. Again, top and bottom. Beside that, I'm using Sugarpill's Love Plus to richen up that red. And finally, on the outside of the eye, I'm using Sugarpill's Bulletproof and smoking that out. I find that adding a touch of skin-toned eyeshadow or highlight to the brow bone helps blending, especially darker colors that can sometimes be a bit trickier. So I'm using Sephora's highlight to help smoke out that black. Using an eyeshadow catcher to prevent fallout. As you can see by what's on it, I definitely needed it. Black and red are terrible colors to try and clean up. You may need to go back and forth with the black and red to help with the blending. The red sometimes becomes a bit dull and needs a refresher. I added a very little bit of red to warm up the black where it's smoking out.
I've been watching you.
With Physicians Formula black eyeliner pen, I'm lining my eyes. I did a bit of a wing, but with the black eyeshadow you can barely see it. It's definitely not necessary. So if you suck at wing liner, you're good. Just line the lid if you're using false lashes, it hides the band a bit more. I also added a little cat eye point in the inner corner. And then lining my waterline with Kat Von D's basket case liner. Now it's time to add a buttload of highlight. Obviously, pirates love gold, so you need to be as shiny as possible. I'm using Sephora's Stardust on my cheeks, bridge of my nose, and Cupid's bow. For the lashes, I'm using Maybelline's Falsies Mascara and then slapping on some false lashes. I also stabbed myself in the eye and screwed up my eyeliner multiple times, but it's fine. Pirates are messy anyway. With NYX Liquid Suede Lipstick in Cherry Skies, I'm adding it to my lips. To darken up the corners, I'm using just a little bit of Sugarpill's Bulletproof and mushing my lips together to blend. Add a bit more lipstick if it dries out too quickly. If you don't want to add the scars, then you're done. But if you do, I'm using BH Cosmetics palette with a mixture of light pink and brown to map out where I'm going to put the scars. It's best to put the color underneath the scarring liquid so it looks more realistic. You don't have to add color to the scars, but it makes them more noticeable. Now it's time to add some Rigid Collodion by Mehron. Now this stuff stinks, but it works great for scarring. Just simply brush it over top of where you want the scar to be. You can stick to one layer, but the more layers you do, the deeper the scar will go. Obviously, don't get it too close to the eye or you'll be straight up not having a good time. I'm also not gonna lie, this definitely hurts to peel off. Goodbye, baby hairs. Let that dry and then that's it. You're done.